In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Keep headers. We're going to walk through this creative process step by step to make your digital notes visually appealing and organized. First, let's open up PowerPoint. It's a versatile tool perfect for creating visually engaging designs. Once you have PowerPoint open, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you will find the Design tab. Click on it to access the design settings. This area will allow you to tailor the visual aspects of your slide, and it's a key part of setting up your header layout. Next, locate the slide size option within the design tab. Click on this to adjust your slide dimensions. For a good header, you'll want to customize the width and height to suit your preferences. A wider slide will give you more room for your text, making it more suitable for a header that fits well in Google Keep. With your slide size set, it's time to add your text. Simply click on the text box and type in the content for your header. This is the title or phrase that you want to stand out. Think about the font and size that will catch the eye yet remain readable. Once your text is in place, select the Shape Format tab. Now it's time to get creative with formatting your text using word art styles. These styles add personality and flair to your header, allowing you to experiment with colors, shadows, and text outlines until you're satisfied with how it looks. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Head over to the File menu and click on Save As. Here, you should select PNG from the list of file type options. PNG is a great choice for image quality and ensures that your header will look sharp and clear when used in Google Keep. Having saved your masterpiece, the next task is to go to Google Keep. Open the app and look for the Take a Note option. Click on it to start a new note. When your note is open, find the Add Image button and click on it. Upload your newly saved header image here. Once your image is uploaded, play around with the background options to make sure your header truly pops and complements your note's visual theme. The final touch involves pinning your note to keep it easily accessible. This ensures your carefully designed header is always visible when you open Google Keep. Finally, to lock in all your changes, click on Close, and there you have it, a personalized and visually stunning Google Keep header that enhances your note-taking experience. It's a simple yet effective way to add a touch of creativity to your everyday organization. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy making and using your new Google Keep headers.